भैया एक प्लेट देना। चाचा ये मैच छोड़ दो, इंडिया हारेगा, हमने कह दिया ना। हमारा बॉलिंग अटैक और एक घटिया बैटिंग, सबका फॉर्म आने में और पिच कंडीशन।
कभी कभार लाइफ में हार मान लेनी पड़ती है, पर जीतना है तो खेलो प्ले स्पॉट पर। बनो खेल का नया बादशाह।
Just if you could just take us through the whole sequence of Ravindra Jadeja getting hit, him being assessed, and the team management deciding to go with Chahal as a concussion substitute.
Yeah, I think what happened, I think I saw him getting hit on the helmet, I think on the second last of the last over, and he came back to the dressing room and he was asked by the physio how is he feeling, and he said that he's feeling a bit dizzy. So according to the concussion rule, we had to have a substitute for that, and now I think he's under doctors and they're taking care of him. Actually.
Gaurav Joshi.
You just mentioned about how do you know how the protocol works and how long it takes for the test to go ahead? And is there an update with Jadeja with his hamstring? Is he feeling okay?
Actually, I'm not aware of that. I think now physios are taking care of him. I think they will be knowing better than me actually. So I'm not asked him.
Venkat Krishna.
Sanju, just as a batting group, what's your role while batting in the middle overs? Are you guys allowed to go after like you do in the IPL, or you have any different game plan for yourself and Manish?
I think game plans almost remains the same in batting in the middle order. I think when you're batting first, definitely you have to set a decent total for your bowling lineup. So it was always important to get that 5-10 balls in between and maintain that partnership. And then definitely I was planning to go after the bowlers or get maximum amount of runs as possible.
Kushan Sarkar.
Sanju, my question is does it create a bit of pressure that probably in your case the chances will be limited because of the competition for the slots in the sides, and with another 10 months to go for the T20 World Cup, so you have to make more use? So is that a kind of a pressure on you that you have to make use of the most of the chances?
I think if you asked that question a few years ago, I would say yes, but definitely I have played a lot more matches and I played a lot more international matches, and I've been with a good amount of good quality people here. So I know it's very important to keep your mindset as simple as possible and not worry about all those things. So my main focus is about winning matches and contributing as much as possible at every chances I get. So it's very important to keep it simple. So that's the way I guess.
Anuj from ANI.
Yeah, hi Sanju. So after seeing today's game, can we say that Chahal will be seen in action in the playing 11 second T20I as India look to seal the series on Sunday?
I didn't get that question actually. Sorry, can you please come again?
After seeing today's game, can we say that Chahal will be in the playing 11 for Sunday T20I as India look to seal the series?
I think I'm not sure about that. I think we have to check about how Jaduba is feeling. I think the physios and the team management will be taking the call. So I think we should wait for them to give the call. Actually.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, Kohli said your catch turned the match in your favor after dropping a couple of catches. So how was the mood on the field after dropping those 2 catches?
I think when you play a format in T20, and definitely there are a lot of ups and downs happening, it's very important to keep your composure and be in the moment. Actually, you definitely lose catches and you take few. So it's very important to have that belief and keep on waiting for the next one. So that's the quality we have in this team. So everyone was keen and they had the self-belief that they will be able to get other catch or other chances. Actually.
Yeah, Sanju, considering the fact that Chahal wasn't in the first 11 and still he managed to not only bowl beautifully but winning a man of the match. So grabbing this opportunity, tell us about his mindset.
I think that's the standards we set here in the Indian cricket team. I think people have played so many years and the quality is so high that anytime you call to them and ask for a favor, ask to play the match, I think they are properly ready. I think they have played many matches, and so that's the experience was shown, and Yuzvendra Chahal was ready for it and he grabbed with both hands and he was the man of the match. So it's a great lesson for everyone to be ready even if they are not playing. Actually.
Final one, Scott Bailey. Scott Bailey from the Australian Associated Press.
Yeah, Sanju,
Can I,
just
Morgan?
wondering your opinion. Do you think the fact that the entire Indian squad has played the Indian Premier League prior to this series gives India an advantage over the Australian players who only a few have been playing 2020 cricket recently?
You're asking, I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Are you asking that is it a bit easy for us to play with the Australian team because they played IPL?
Scott, you were not very audible. If you're not audible, if you can ask your question again.
Yeah, no worries. I was saying, do you think it gives India an advantage having played a lot of 2020 cricket recently with all the players playing in the IPL, whereas obviously there were a few Australians in the IPL, but a lot have not played 2020 cricket for a little while?
Yeah, absolutely. I think we have been playing T20 format from last 2 months in the Dubai. I think playing the IPL definitely gives you that extra preparation. Or I think almost we were a bit more ready to play IPL. The T20 format. I think I can say that Australian players have also played the IPL. So I think it was both of the team are equally balanced. I feel.